How to turn off sync across clients on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video will show you how to turn off sync across clients on Discord mobile. Let's go to Discord. Now go to settings, click on your profile right here to go to the settings, and now you need to find text and emails. Click on it. Now all you need to do is to find this one, sync across clients. Click on it to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.